Hi, I'm Anna. I haven't been cooking for a while, you might have noticed. Kind of stopped when COVID started. And then when everybody was in lockdown, I kind of found some other habits as you do to keep yourself occupied. And one of them was kind of upcycling clothes. So I've been having a lot of fun doing that. I still cook, but I thought maybe it was time to come back and start sharing with you again. Because I've had a few people ask me how I make some of my pieces. There's a lot of tutorials out there. I'm by no means an expert, but I just thought I might come and show you guys how I do it, in case you're interested. In case there's any other beginners out there like me. I totally was a beginner and had to learn a lot of basic stuff when I started, but really you don't need any particular skills, just some vision and the desire to give it a go. Not someone who likes a lot of the fashions that are necessarily in the stores up until, well, I guess kind of recently when 70s stuff started coming back in. I lived through the 70s the first time and I still like the fashion. So rather than wasting money on new clothes, and there's so much fast fashion waste now, I try to recycle what I can. Save things from my wardrobe that I don't wear anymore for whatever reason, or go up shopping or thrift shopping and find things to save there. So that's the kind of thing I've just been doing, and I might occasionally share it with you guys and show you how I do it. Hope you're interested to stick around. Love it if you do. A couple other pieces, as you can see, ponchos. That's one of my favorite things. I'm really into bell-bottom jeans, so I've been making my own, and I really like some of the flashier styles where you pick different colors and patterns to mix it up. But you can really, there's so many different ways you can do it, and I hope to show you a few of the ways that I've been doing it. Some of the ponchos, just to give you an idea. This one started with a poncho that I actually found at a thrift shop, and I just cut the middle out, cut the sides off the tee, and put it together. I can show you how to do that, it's so easy. Another way you can do it really, really easy is with scarves. This is just a scarf that I cut in half. You can cut it off even if you want it to stay even with the bottom of the shirt, or you can leave it long. There's a lot of different ways to do it. People do it all different ways. It's really up to what you like. Scarves are so easy to find and cheap in most op shops or thrift shops, so that's a really nice way to do it. Any fabric you have on hand that's big enough to do this, you can customize that as well. Another of my favorite things to do is with these oversized t-shirts. They're usually men's shirts that are way too big, way too long, especially in the sleeve area. I often will cut the neckline out. Sometimes I'll just make it a V-neck like I've done in this one. Sometimes I'll cut it out and widen the neck a bit. And I like to put bell sleeves on them and shorten it so it's the right length for me. Here's another one I've done that I really like, one of my favorites. This is my dog River. Hi River, turn around and say hello to everyone. You might see him sometimes in the videos. And then, like I said, bell bottoms, like the ones I've got on, or another pair that I've done here. I just find thrifted materials. It works really nice if it's a similar weight, so it could be upholstery fabric, or in this case, other jeans that I found that didn't fit me, but I just cut them up for the pattern and put them together, whatever makes you happy. Anyways, just a short video today. I just wanted to let you know what I'm going to be up to, and I hope you stick around for it. Thanks!